that? Does that look yummy? What? You want to eat it? Yeah, when it's not so hot. Gotta wait for it to cool off. Ready to try one? Come here, come here. Is it good?
Yeah.
We're here at Mount Hood and we're going to a waterfall. I forget the name of it. Tamanawis. Wow, that looks creepy. That looks really creepy. I think we made it. Bacon wrap dates make really good trail food.
Yes.
Look at that smoked turkey. It's gonna be delicious. It smells so good. Just gonna fry these up a little bit and then add in the sweet potatoes, a little salt and pepper, and I think that's all they'll need. It smells so good. The mushrooms and the fresh herbs and the garlic. Oh my gosh. It's turned out so good. It's absolutely delicious. This would be amazing leftover, like for breakfast with a poached egg on top. So good. What's your favorite part? The bacon wrap dates? Mm-hmm. What's your favorite part? What's your favorite part?
I haven't eaten it yet.
Oh. I think your favorite part's going to be the ice cream and pecan pie. Right? Right?
Yeah.
All right, here at the end of this video, I'm going to show everybody the present that she made for me. Can you explain to the people what it is?
It's an animation of a dancing Instant Pot.
And it was a Thanksgiving present for me.
Yeah.
And do you want to give yourself a shameless plug?
I'm doing art commissions and animation commissions. If you want to commission me, you can check out my email in the description.
And now enjoy the beautiful, what is it? Animation. Yes.
お前はもう死んでいる。